Well, hello everyone, it's Aisling. What's up? I hope you're doing really great today. I've been dying to film this video for so long, you guys have no idea, but I've been waiting for this product to come into stock so I could try it out, and it's finally came back into stock. I bought it on Boots website, but I see it's also back in stock on Beauty Bay, and I think ASOS have it in stock as well. So I'm going to try and get this video up ASAP so that it's still in stock by the time that you guys see this video. The product that I'm talking about today is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Sky High Mascara. This is like a TikTok famous mascara. Everybody on TikTok's been talking about it. They've been doing like little demos. I kind of fell down the rabbit hole. I'm not really a big TikTok person, but I fell down the rabbit hole of looking at beauty content. Nearly every second video was featuring this mascara. I don't know why this is so popular. I see what it does to people's lashes, but I am one with the stumpiest, shortest, non-existent little lashes, and if this does something to my lashes, I can see what all the hype is about. But I just needed to try it out for myself. I needed to talk to you guys about it, and I want to kind of review it for you. I bought this from Boots. Obviously in Ireland we don't have like paper packaging. I've seen this coming in like a little box and stuff in the US and things like that, but in Ireland it just looks like this, just plain and simple. It's a 7.2 milliliter bottle. Sky High Mascara delivers full volume and limitless length, so it's a volumizing and lengthening mascara, which I love to hear. Exclusive Flex Tower mascara brush bends to volumize and extends every single lash from root to tip. It's a washable mascara formulated fused with bamboo extract and fibers for longer, fuller lashes. Never get weighed down. It removes easily. So it's not waterproof, but it is supposed to be incredible at lengthening those lashes and making them look full. So if you guys are interested in seeing my thoughts on this mascara, then let's put it to the test. So excited. My lips are also super dry today, so if you see any like crustiness on my lips, apologies. I'm not going to be doing any eye makeup today because I just want this to be all about the mascara. This is what the bottle looks like. I already kind of just showed you it far away, but yeah, it looks like that. It's really nice. It's in purpley pink packaging. I don't know what you would call that. And then this is what the wand looks like. It's really bendy, which they did say. And the wand is plastic. Looks like that also. Look at my bad tans. Let's actually not look at them. I am super keen to see how this goes on my lashes. Normally I don't curl my lashes, but everybody on TikTok was curling their lashes, so I'm gonna curl my lashes. Going to use my eyelash curler, which I actually had to dig around to try and find because I haven't used an eyelash curler in the longest time ever. So I don't know if you can see my little itty bitty lashes. If you guys can see them, God bless your eyesight, because they are just so small and they're just non-existent. They're just tiny little things that I've been blessed with, you know? Okay, so let's take the wand, a wiggly wand, and I'm just going to coat this eye first. So I'm just gonna do what I normally do and just bring the wand from the base to the tip of my lashes. Oh my. Oh my god, like it's doing something. I'm sorry I'm tilting my head back, but it's very hard to kind of see when I'm doing like face on, so you can kind of see a little bit better when I move my head back. That is one coat of the mascara. I wouldn't go in with another coat because I feel like I'll just clump up my eyelashes if I do that. But guys, look at that. Look at the difference. I have no eyelashes. I never have a reaction like this with a mascara, ever. Like I never ever see my lashes looking like this. Like they look like I'm wearing a very light wispy lash. I'm actually so shook over that. I was really expecting just absolutely no reaction from this. I was gonna be like, oh yeah, it's grand mascara, but like I feel like it's really opened up my eyes. I'm really happy with that. I'm gonna try the next eye and see if we have the same response, hopefully. Just stabbed myself in the eye. Excellent. Okay, let's move on from the assault that I just did in my eyes. There we go. I am so happy with that, guys. You're probably looking at this going, wow, Aisling, like your eyelashes are just despicable. I know they are really short, but like this is amazing for me. Let me just kind of lift up. Like that is a lot of lash for me. Honestly, I have no lashes at all, ever, never. And this looks really good. Like my lashes and eyes look a bit more open. I'm just going to apply some mascara on my lower lashes as well. These lashes look a little bit more lifted than this side. That's just the makeup of my eyelashes, unfortunately. And that's just the way they are, but this eye definitely looks a lot more open. I really like the lash effect, and I'm kind of surprised because I've never really experienced something like this from a mascara before. Right, well, I am super impressed with this mascara right now. I really like it. I love what it's done to my lashes, and this is a really big achievement for my lashes because, like I already stated 15 times in this video, I have very short, non-existent lashes, so I am really happy with this. I'm gonna wear this for the duration of the day just to see if there's any like flaking or clumping or maybe like speckles of black down my face, or if this kind of starts getting crumbly or anything. I will be looking at everything later on today. See how the mascara works out for me throughout the day, but I'm really happy with it so far, and I definitely think this is like the longest my lashes have looked with a mascara ever probably in their life. Anyway guys, I'll talk to you later and we'll see how this mascara is holding up. So it's almost the end of the day. It's 5:51. So I'm going to call this end of the day. So I just wanted to check back in with you guys just so you can see how the mascara has held up throughout the day. I've been wearing it for 8 hours, but I just wanted to see if there was any flaking or if my lashes have dropped at all, or what you guys actually think yourselves with regards to this mascara after the length of time I've been wearing it. I actually really still like it, and I was looking at it in the mirror just as I was starting this video. I still think my lashes look great. The thing I'm most excited about is that there is no smudging and no crumbling, no flaking off my face, which I cannot stress how much of a downer that is when you pick up a mascara and the next thing, like 2 hours later, it's all like flaking and crisping off. That's why I hate the Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I think it's like one of the worst mascaras I've ever tried. And then I also hate one of those mascaras that doesn't keep the lift in your lashes. It just makes your lashes like flop. But I really feel like this has done such a good job. I really like it. And for such an affordable mascara, like you can't really go wrong. And I think Maybelline actually does the best mascaras from the drugstore, from any affordable brand. Them or the Revolution mascara that I absolutely love. It's called the Revolution. It's one of the best. And I also love the Essence Princess Lash Mascara. Is that what they call it? Lash Princess. They are phenomenal. Them mascaras are so good, but this mascara may be my new favorite, especially from the drugstore. I think it looks really good, and I'm not really one to kind of get overly excited about mascaras. I'm just not, because you've seen my lashes, they're non-existent. There's no point in talking about a mascara 10,000 miles away. You need to kind of see up close, so you can kind of see this lash has remained high and full, and this one has kind of flopped down a wee bit, but like I'm not really overly concerned with it because it's been 8 hours on my eyes. There's no flaking, no smudging, nothing like that. It hasn't like transferred onto my eyelid or anything. It still looks really good, and my lashes still look long. I love when I'm midway through a sentence and my battery just died. I love that these lashes are still looking lifted. I love that they still look really long, and I didn't need to apply any falsies today. This mascara, in my opinion, 2 thumbs up. Love it. Really like it. Highly rate it. Recommend you guys pick it up if it ever comes back into stock. But like I said, it is in stock presently, so go get you some. You won't regret it. I think it's great. And if you have like longer lashes than me, you're gonna just be obsessed with this, because I mean, if it makes my crappy lashes look halfway decent, then it'll make your lovely long eyelashes just go on for days and days. Thanks so much guys for checking in today's video. I hope you did enjoy it. If you did, thumbs it up. It really helps me out, and let me know what other content you want to see on my channel, and I will talk to all of you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Mwah.